in many situations, a brochure is very helpful. The patients come to the office and you tell them they need a laser treatment, and that's kind of unnerving and upsetting for a lot of people. And many times they don't remember what you told them. And you explain about what the disease process is, and you explain about what the procedure is that you're going to do to treat it. And they go home and some other family member asks them, well, what did the doctor say? And they say, well, I don't remember. Or they'll tell them something that's only half the situation. And having the brochure allows them to go and look at that and they say, oh yeah, I remember the doctor said that. And so the brochure is also a reinforcement of what the doctor has discussed with the patient, and it's an objective thing for them to look at for separate or later reference.
We use the brochures. I give everybody a brochure because I really feel that, you know, I can explain to the patient what their disease is and what this treatment is, but sometimes patients don't listen to everything or can't, you know, once they hear maybe they have glaucoma, they can't really hear beyond that when they're in the room, and then after they leave, they start thinking, you know, what did she just describe to me? I don't understand what's going on, and then they have something to refer to. And I always tell patients, you know, the pictures help, and, you know, it makes sense to have a reference. And most people do read the brochure, and I just let them read that at home. I give it to them at the end of the office visit and just say, if you have any questions, to call us. And nobody really calls us after that, you know, because I explain it well in the beginning, but I think the brochure really helps, you know, patients have a reference.
Lumenis provides some excellent materials for patient education to help enhance this service in your practice. Our patients find the Lumenis brochures to be extremely helpful and educational as far as the treatment of their open-angle glaucoma and the outcomes that they can expect.
Well, Lumenis has been great in that they've not only provided a quality product, but they've also been very consistently in touch with us to make sure that it's working well, that we don't have any questions, and that when there are nuances, whether it be from other physicians or within the technology side, they've always been very, very quick to provide us with the updates. And the nice thing also with Lumenis has been that they provide a lot of resources, whether it be online or via phone conversations, as far as finding how other doctors are using the machines and what they're finding to be a good or not so great use for it.
My Lumenis rep has been very easy to work with. He's been available if we've ever had any trouble. I've actually called him on the weekend several times when I was in to do an emergency surgery and was having difficulty setting up the laser, and he answered his phone and was able to walk me through procedures, and he's been very approachable and easy to work with.